Welcome to Speed Scene Wiring online tutorial section. Today we're going to be building an SSW part number 98. SSW part number 98 is the connector. SSW part number 2 terminal. SSW part number 0 for the seal and a 22 gauge wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools to complete this job. Dikes, crimp tool that you can purchase on our website, with an alphabetical index of keyway and die position A, B, C, D, and E, and basic strippers. Strip back about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Place your seal straight on to the wire. Place your terminal directly onto the wire. Start in D. Finish up with E. And then go ahead and do this one C. And just do a little bit on D for that one on the back secondary that holds the seal on. Do your 5-pound pull test in E. That's it. Place the terminal straight into the body of the connector, and this knock sensor connector it usually can be found on the LS series truck. It's the internal connector in the valley itself, or on the valley plate for the LS engine. Now to remove this, purchase one of our green terminal tools online, locate the top hat section of the connector, place your terminal tool in, press down a little bit, and then pull out the backside, like so. To place this back in, go ahead and grab a razor blade, bend the tab out a little bit, and put it back in. And complete.